All right, so let's see. Let's have you go face down here, Emma, and we'll check you out, darling. All righty. You can see that, has she been doing gymnastics? Of course. So let's get these little hips first. Let me have this side up. Goody. Bring this little leg around. Excellent. And let me move this right there. Other side up, young lady. Be careful with that because that can get heavy. On your side. Goody. Oh yeah, did you hear those?
Yeah.
You did, huh? Let me have you go face down. I'll check your neck now, okay? Looking good. Turn your head to this side, sweetie. Good. And just relax. Turn it to the other side. Back to the right, back to that side. And I'm gonna go ahead and find that spot right here. You feel it? And I'm gonna adjust that one right. There it is. Turn it to this side, please. Good. Perfect. Put your head in the center. And let's check and see. She's good for some more gymnastics, and I know she loves this. Huh? Does it tickle?
Little.
Oh, you're getting used to the one at home now, huh? All right. Go ahead and get up. Was that good?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, and by the way, do you know why I was adjusting you?
No.
It was for the brain, right?
Yeah.
To make sure the nerves function right. Right?
Yeah.
All right. Give me a high five. Woo! Wow. Thank you, Emma. Thank you.